Hello, today we are going to be making crispy butternut squash bites with hot honey feta drizzle. Can't wait. Come along for the ride and I'll share the recipe with you. The first thing we're going to do is we're going to toss our butternut squash bites that we've already cut into 2 tablespoons of olive oil, a teaspoon of garlic powder, and a teaspoon of onion powder. Now we're going to whisk all that together. This is going to be so good. And we will add our butternut squash bites. These are cut into bite-sized pieces. Put all those in. And mix these up. Because you know I love to get the hands in there. Nice and coated. Make sure they're all fully coated. And then the next thing we're gonna do is lay these out on a foil-lined baking sheet and put them in the oven at 400 degrees until they're soft. Cheers. We put the butternut squash on the baking sheet. There we go. So now that we've got our butternut squash bites in the oven, crisping up 400 degrees for about 20 to 30 minutes, you want them to be just tender. We are going to be breading them once they come out of the oven. So for that, we've got some flour, we've got an egg that we're going to beat, and we have some panko breadcrumbs. I like the panko because you'll get an extra crisp out of it. Nice and crispy, a bit soft, lovely. Now we'll let it cool for 20 minutes and then we will bread it. Okay, our butternut squash bites have cooled down and we're going to start with dredging them in the flour. Shake off the excess. Next we put it in the egg and straight into the hot pan. That's a nice sizzle. That is a nice sizzle. And we'll do a few at a time. We don't have that many to go through. Oh my goodness. Look at the taste on that. Look at the crisp. I can taste it now. So a nice little hack that my good friend Lay taught me, when you're trying to fry your food, you want to do the same thing every time. So you know at 12 o'clock, that's the first piece that went in. At 1 o'clock, that's the next piece that went in. All the way around the clock so you know which one to turn first. Now let's put our final pieces in. That oil is smoking hot. Look at that. To try these. What do you think, Lee? Dave and Lee are here visiting from Chicago. They're our good basketball friends. Here's a little cooking tip for you when you're frying. If you give it a shake and they don't move, they're not done. So these two look like they're done. This one is still stuck. So these ones we can turn. Ooh, it's magic. Last one going in. There we go. We'll let those in. All right, we're almost at the end. The last step in this process is we're going to warm up our hot honey and we're gonna add our feta cheese and we're gonna make a hot honey feta drizzle. Let's do it. Smells good already. try. And we'll sprinkle a little bit of feta on there. Oops. All right, let's see if that's a crowd pleaser. I think it will be.
Yeah?
Now you're talking.
Or some
salt.
red chili pepper.
Oh, good. I like it. Okay, now that our squash is in the oven, crisping up.
Sorry.